Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential gear and condition, inspect your harness, belay loop, and rated personal anchor. Clip one locking carabiner, then a backup carabiner, opposite and opposed, so you have redundancy. Dress knots neatly and remove slack. This matters for shock absorption. Once done, clip the anchor to your belay loop or dedicated tie-in point and make sure webbing orientation is flat. Keep your hands free to test the connection. Tug gently and visually confirm gate closure and alignment. Now you construct the system. Choose 2 independent anchor points or 1 high-quality point and a redundant backup. Equalize load with a short sling or adjustable cordelette, but avoid nosediving tune lengths. Clip both locking carabiners so one is dedicated to your personal anchor and the other to backup or belay device. Screw locks should face opposite directions. Once equalized, dress and lock all connections, trim or secure tails, and test by weighting gently while watching each component for movement or twist. Finish by weighting the system progressively. Sit, then lean, then fully commit. This reveals hidden slippage and confirms equalization. Make sure all locks stay closed and no carabiner crossloads. If a gate opens or noise indicates rubbing, unclamp and replace that connector immediately. If the anchor shifts, re-equalize lengths and reseat knots. One troubleshooting tip: if you detect any movement under progressive load, lower off to the next safe stance, unweight. Repair the faulty element, and retest before trusting the anchor again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.